Imagine this, you're not just saving for college, you're building a financial future with tax-free growth. Whether you're planning for your child's education or even looking for tax-efficient ways to grow your money, the 529 plan is one of the most powerful tools available. So first, what exactly is a 529 plan? It's a tax advantage savings plan designed specifically for educational expenses like college, K-12 tuition, and even student loan repayments. It allows you to invest money, and while contributions aren't tax deductible on the federal level, the earnings grow tax-free if used for qualified educational expenses. Now, how can you use a 529 plan as a wealth building tool? First, the investments within a 529 plan grow without being taxed. Second, there are no income limits for you to invest in this account type. Unlike a Roth IRA, anybody can contribute to a 529 plan regardless of income. Last but not least, 529 plans allow for you to transfer the plan to another family member if the designated person doesn't use it. Now here's where things get really exciting. Thanks to the new Secure Act 2.0 legislation, starting in 2024, any unused funds in your 529 plan can now be converted into a Roth IRA for the beneficiary. Let me explain how it works. Normally, if you didn't use all the funds for education, you'd be hit with a penalty for withdrawing that money. But with this new rule, you can roll up to $35,000 from your 529 plan into a Roth IRA over the beneficiary's lifetime completely tax-free, which could be a game changer for retirement planning later on. Think about it. This allows you to get a head start on a young person's retirement savings by starting with the tax advantages of a 529, then converting to a Roth IRA later. You're creating a long-term wealth building machine. And since the Roth IRAs grow tax-free and withdrawals and retirement are also tax-free, you're setting them up for a strong financial future. So why does this matter for building wealth? The earlier you start investing for education and retirement, the more you give your money time to compound. With added flexibility of converting unused 529 funds into a Roth IRA, you can now maximize your wealth building strategy without worrying about overfunding your 529. Want to learn more or have questions about setting up a 529 plan? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more financial tips and strategies. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.